Bet you Eric has a lot to say about subs. He's a connoisseur.
I am like, the rumbling is like a summer thunderstorm right now in the stomach after watching that. A good sandwich is really the ultimate meal, isn't it? And boy, today, good day to go out, go for a little stroll, pick something up. Really not all that cold. 48 degrees, the high temperature in Boston. That's been the trend lately. I think we're going to start to see a bit of a pattern shift as we head into next week, and it will certainly have a more wintry feel to it. But the first few days of January running well up above the average. No snow on the ground, not much ice to be found anywhere in southern New England right now. We're in the 30s to low 40s. We've got a lot of mild air in the east, so as the storm system climbs the eastern seaboard, really not a lot of cold to tap and bring some of that snowfall. This storm system will bring rain and a chance for a little bit of ice, but the snow is still very lacking here across the east. So taking a look at our temps this evening, we'll fall back in the upper 20s to low 30s across the interior, and this is the spot we'll have to watch for a chance of some freezing rain early tomorrow morning. Most of the storm system is just your general rainfall, but will be very close to that freezing mark for those central Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire areas. So this begins to move in around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's going to be a wet, cold day out there, just kind of the nastiest weather if you ask me. Temperatures mostly in the 30s with rain coming down. There may be a few lulls mixed in, but the general theme of the day is chilly, breezy, gray, and very damp. Our steadiest and heaviest rainfall is around the Boston to Worcester area south and east, and that rain will start to pivot offshore around 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Now, tomorrow evening, temperatures will be back near freezing, so things will freeze back up, and so the roads may need to be treated as everything will be wet, and then we'll bring in those freezing temps. That's always a little bit of a dangerous type of circumstance. So tomorrow morning, watching those inland areas, basically 495 north and west, those temps that'll be close to freezing and a light glaze of ice possible before we change over to regular rain. The rain amounts highest from the Pike south and east, especially down toward Cape Cod and the islands, lowest across New Hampshire and northern Massachusetts. But again, for all of us, as those temps head closer to freezing tomorrow night, there will be some icy areas region-wide. High temps in the 30s away from the water, lower 40s to even some middle 40s closer to the coastline. Then we head into Sunday. We get brighter skies, but the wind is going to start to pick up. The colder air will start pushing in from the north and west. Some snow showers likely across Vermont and the Berkshires. But it'll have a chilly feel even with warmer than average temps. It'll be up into the 40s, some 30s in central Mass, but a very gusty wind outside on Sunday. If you're heading up to ski country, some good news. They had a pretty decent amount of snowfall the other night. Now, as we head into tomorrow, most of the storm stays off to the south and east. So they don't have to worry about that rain and that ice mix. Then on Sunday, we've got snow showers and wind, and then another chance of snow moves in on Monday night. So they're actually in very good shape there across much of New England. Now, in terms of Boston, different story. 0.2 of an inch of snowfall this entire season so far. Now, I looked at all the winters. We had 2 inches or less through January 6th, or through Sunday, if you will. It's happened 18 times on record. Every single one of those winters had below average snowfall except for one, which was exactly average. Now, does that mean we're locked into a below average snow season? No, there's a first time for everything, but it means it would be an outlier if that does come to fruition over the next couple of months. As for any snow ahead, well, some light stuff is likely Monday night into Tuesday. It'll be changing over to rain for most of the areas we head into Tuesday morning, but likely to be some slick spots on the roads for that Tuesday morning commute, especially north of Boston and into New Hampshire. I think that's where we'll see some accumulating snowfall. More scattered rain and snow possible on Wednesday, and then we'll dry out for the rest of the week. So none of these are big snow systems, but there are some nuisance variety types of events, and some people will likely have to shovel north of Boston on Tuesday morning. Again, really looking toward New Hampshire for that. End of next weekend brings our next chance for maybe a more significant storm. So we'll be keeping an eye on that.
All right, Eric, thanks.